Hello, my name is David. In this demonstration, we'll be looking at running the fixed asset register report. So the demo, we're going to pick on one of the popular fixed asset predefined reports. And this is a BI publisher report called the Fixed Asset Register. Back to the asset landing page, I'm looking at the reports and analysis icon. This gives me an extract of the BI reports possible. The one I'm interested in, you could pick any of these, but the one I'm interested in is the asset register report, and I want to schedule it. So which book am I interested in? Well, my Supremo Fitness book for US dollar. Let's run it for my current period, which is July 2020. Just a little bit further down. Okay, we'll search. And I could just look at one asset. I can restrict myself just to capitalize assets, and I can put further filter in the reports, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to run it, and I'm going to run it instantly. Navigating through tools and schedule processes, I've now got to the schedule process, and you'll see my asset register report has completed. Again, what I'm going to do is republish it into another format. Just highlight the power of BI, all the different formats you can have the output in directly into Excel, PowerPoint, rich text file. My favorite for presentation is PDF. Open up. Here's my BI publisher default output for the asset register report. And if I scroll down, I've got a page per asset. So here's my initial equipment. Down the bottom, cost 6,000. Probably 2 months. It was acquired, I think, in May. So we've got May, June, July. May and June, so depreciation. 2 months depreciation of 200. We've also got a US tax book. Doesn't look as if, well, it's been transferred for the US tax book, but it hasn't got any depreciation yet in the US tax book. And as I say, if you scroll down, you can see the detail in terms of including, this is the only leased asset I've got in my particular book, and that shows me the right of use asset for that leased asset. Is currently sitting in terms of net book value of 28,637. So full comprehensive review of your assets. And I've been a little bit lazy and pulled everything back, but you could be very specific and pull a group of assets or just one asset back into your asset register report. The alternative to some of the standard reports, so you can customize and copy the standard reports that you're seeing behind the screen here. I've also moved over just to OTBI, so Oracle Transaction Business Intelligence, and just showing you in the subject area here, look, you've got fixed asset balances real time, fixed asset depreciation real time, fixed asset transaction real time. And either in the tool I'm in at the moment, the BI analysis tool, or you've got a more simple BI composer targeted with a wizard for the less experienced report writers to write your own user-defined reports to terms of analyze your asset balances or your asset information. So that concludes this topic of looking, or this demo, should I say, of looking at, in terms of the standard fixed asset register report, and just highlighting where you could go and build your own user defined reports. So thanks for watching this demo, and please move on to other demonstrations within